Here we go. Hello, everyone. We're back with another episode of the Zone Fitness Podcast. I'm your host, Josh, along with
Lisa Atchison.
Yeah, and she's the true athlete around here. I'm just a wannabe, but she's going to change me as the days come. You guys will see. She's going to get me in serious shape, which means I have to go to the gym, which means that I have to go to your health club, which also means that I got to follow rules.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
Lots of rules right now.
So, yes, especially right now, there's a lot of health. There's club safety. There's probably some CDC guidelines, things we have to follow right now. So hit us with what those are. So when we know to come in, we know what to bring, what to do, how to act,
Sure,
and all that fun stuff.
Absolutely. So, speaking to Colorado, where our 8 clubs are right now, we're undergoing strict guidelines to open up under Phase 1 under Public Health Order 2028.
Okay.
And some of those guidelines, like I said, are very strict, but they're strict for a reason, right? We want to keep our members safe, our clients safe, but also our employees safe.
Okay.
So some of the steps that we're taking in order to reopen is that we are keeping our capacity no matter the size of the gym. I mean, we have gyms from 25,000 square feet to 40,000 square feet.
Wow.
And it's still only going to be 10 or less individuals in the building.
That includes the staff?
That includes the staff.
Wow. So it's going to be real limited, which means scheduling is key now.
Very key.
And then people keep their appointments.
It's a hot commodity.
Yeah. So time is money.
It sure is.
Everybody says. So
yeah.
10 people in there, and are there a distance they have to maintain?
Yes,
or
we have
stuff
to maintain
like that
6 feet is the general rule of thumb.
Okay.
However, we are exercising. So we are going to try to space 12 feet because of that extra expulsion of air.
Yes.
Right? So droplets can go further when they're under extreme exercise.
Yeah,
right? And we're breathing hard and working. So it's hard for a personal trainer to be 12 feet from a client, so 6 feet is the minimum distance that they're going to be from their clients. Sure. But we're trying to maximize our safety net, so to speak, by the distance. Yeah,
I understand why you're doing that, because once you get breathing hard, and humans are always sweating, and
when
stuff's
humans
always coming off
exercise, they can be a little gross.
Yeah, really?
Yeah.
I had no idea.
So we're going to control that, with some of these guidelines.
So do we have to wear a mask then?
No. So
Okay.
clients and members do not have to wear masks at this point. So they're suggested. It's hard to even sit still with a mask on and breathe. So
let alone try to exercise.
Exercising is going to be difficult. However, our staff will all be wearing masks at the time they enter the building, and then for the rest of their shifts. So personal trainers, front desk, you name it, will be in masks.
A lot of cleaning going on.
Ton of cleaning going
all
on.
of the surfaces.
Yeah.
Anything that somebody after each session, I assume. Okay.
So
cool.
some of the things that we're doing. Number one, started with the disinfectant that we have in all of our clubs. It's CDC approved. It's COVID-19 approved as well.
Oh wow. Okay.
Yeah, so that it can actually kill the virus. A lot of the over-the-counter disinfectants that we have now actually don't. So it had to be this new, very hard to get disinfectants for all the gyms right now. And as you can imagine, most of them are going to hospitals and healthcare systems. So we have that in all of our clubs. What we're doing with that disinfectant is that, for instance, with our personal trainers, when they're working with their clients during this phase, they're going to be carrying around what we call Sandy caddies. So it's a caddy that's going to have their own personal spray bottle with that disinfectant in it. They have rubber gloves. They're going to have an extra mask just in case something happens with their mask.
That is really good.
Towels, you name it.
Yeah.
So they are going to wipe down all equipment before and after their client uses it.
Okay.
So we're in charge of that. We're not putting it on our client. They got enough to worry about, staying away from us.
That's really nice.
Yeah.
That's good customer
Recovering,
service on top of it. Yeah,
absolutely. Yeah. So it's going to require us a little bit more time, and we're letting our clients know that.
What are you having the client do to help maintain cleanliness and stuff like that?
So what we've kind of put together at our clubs, and I'll speak from our clubs, is that we've put together promises that our staff are going to do for our members and clients. And it goes from start to finish. When they come in through the doors, what we're going to do for them. But we've also put together a member code of conduct for the time that we're in right now.
Okay.
So it's kind of like their promises to us as members and clients, what they're going to do to also do their part so that we can all stay safe.
Wonderful.
So some of those things, like the staff promises to members, is that all of us are going to get our temperatures checked at the time of the beginning of our shifts. So we've got those infrared guns at the front desk. It's a real quick zap, about the same amount of time it takes to scan in your key tag. Do it to ourselves. Make sure that we don't have anything over 100 degrees.
Wonderful.
Yeah. Some other things, the masks. We're going to have increased cleaning stations all around the club. We already have a lot.
Wow.
But I think triple. So we don't want
Right.
anybody walking around without the access to get some sort of cleaning supplies.
One of the cleanest places you'll be able to go now will be the gym.
Yeah, yeah.
Absolutely. Should I bring my own towel, or are there towels available?
We would like you to bring your own towels. Some of our
Okay.
clubs do have towel service, so towels are there. We did bring in towels for all of our clubs. So if they don't have their towel, we're going to provide one for them for that workout. Yeah.
And during this whole thing, can I use the showers there?
We
or
can't use the showers there. That's the other part of our guidelines in phase one. We're modifying use of some of the amenities.
Okay.
So for the locker rooms, for instance, there's not going to be any changing in the locker rooms. So that there's no crowding around each other without realizing it, because it's so easy for us to go into our own headspace and start changing, not realize how close we are to somebody. So we're not going to allow changing in phase one.
Okay.
Strictly lockers are going to be used for using the restroom and washing your hands.
What about water? Do you have any water stations that I can
Nope.
use? Or
All
those are
drinking
closed too?
fountains are going to be
Okay.
closed as well. So everyone's got to bring their own water bottle. I mean, again, this is all about safety and making sure
Right.
that we're not, cross-contaminating.
It's a solid plan. I mean, the best way
Yeah,
to
and
prevent it
it's-
is to not let people touch things, because humans are, well, we're kind of gross.
Yeah, we're
To keep-
gross.
We're kind of gross.
Yeah, we're gross. And
Cool.
one good thing that's coming out of all of this is it's a good thump for all of us as staff and as members in the gyms, just to be cleaner in general. So it's going to be real strict, and then that behavior is going to have to carry on for a really long time.
Absolutely. So everyone still keep washing your hands, maintain that safe distance. These guys are going to take care of all the cleaning that goes on around
All
you.
of it. Our clubs are being disinfected right now.
Wow.
12 hours a day.
That's good,
We're going
because
to do spacing in our cardio equipment too. I didn't mention that. So
No,
we have
you didn't.
signs on every other piece of cardio equipment.
Really?
We're doing it in kind of a checkerboard pattern. So if you can imagine, let's
okay.
say 4 rows of cardio equipment.
Uh-huh.
It's not just about the person next to you and having 6 feet. It's also that person that's in front of you on, say, a bike. You don't want your heavy breathing on the treadmill going towards them. So we're going to do it kind of in a checkerboard pattern. And it's
Sure.
going to rotate every day.
So you're even thinking about where the human gases are going.
Right.
That are,
All that grossness.
yeah, I know. It's kind of weird. It's just yeah.
Yeah, it's a different frame of
Yeah, I know.
mind now.
So are you still offering all the same classes then that you guys would normally teach?
We're offering all the same classes. A lot of our platforms have moved to live workouts on our Facebook pages.
Oh,
So,
cool.
Yeah.
Do you have to be a member to get that, or
No, you don't have to be a member. This is a free service that we are providing for all of our members and our non-members. Yeah, listen.
That is really
the
nice.
gift of health right now is the best thing that we can give for the general public.
I've never heard it said better.
Yeah.
That is really cool.
Yeah.
So go to their Facebook page. Tell them what the Facebook page is so they can go check it out.
So we've got 8 different Facebook pages. It's under Prestige Fitness or Zone Athletic Clubs in Denver.
Cool. Anything else? Oh, I'm sorry. Go
Oh,
ahead.
no, I'm sorry. The schedules are posted up there. We've got fantastic coordinators that are putting together all of these classes. We have anything from yoga to HIIT classes, all from the comfort of your own home. Our
Really?
instructors are doing it from their own house so that they can emulate what type of workouts you would be doing at home, too.
So it'd be the exact same thing I do at home. They're going to do.
Yep, they're doing
at
it in the comfort
home
of their own
themselves,
home.
and-
Yep.
So I like that.
So we've got schedules are posted on our Facebook pages, and anybody can take advantage of that. You do not have to be a member.
Cool.
Yeah.
Guys, it's a free service. You should check that out because it is really nice and really cool.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Thank you again for coming in and telling us all
Absolutely.
about Zone Fitness and all the fun stuff.
Yeah, we're ready to go.
Guys, again, get a hold of the people at Zone Fitness. Go over there, get a class scheduled today. Give the gift of health to someone through gift cards. You guys have gift cards and
We
stuff
do have
like
gift
that?
cards, yeah.
Give somebody a gift card so you can get them in working out today. She's going to be getting me in shape here very soon and run me through the ringer. Don't go easy on me.
Remember you said that.
Okay, so I put my foot in my mouth, and this is Josh for the Zone Fitness podcast, along with my partner,
Lisa Atchison.
saying thanks for joining us, and we'll see you guys next time when she runs me into the ground.
Thank you.
You did promise it, and we can't edit it. I'm sorry.
You don't forget.